Hey guys, we are back. Oh my gosh. We're back for lunch. It's Friday. Not like that means anything, but at least I don't have to get up at 6 the next 2 days. That's what that means for me. So, come on, Trey. I didn't have my lever flipped up all the way. So we have lunch today. It's Friday, so you know what that means. It means pizza. Oh my gosh, I got off work a while ago. So it's just been sitting because I had to go. They thought they didn't have the right forms for Jax to go to kindergarten, but I just went over there and she does have it. That's what she did. We have pizza. A lovely cheese pizza just for me. I always say that. I also have a cup of rice. I also have broccoli with cheese. I think there's cheese and rice. I even bought, oh no. I just had plasticware in here. Did I throw it away? Just this morning? Because Adrian even made fun of me about eating lunch in my car all the time because I had a silverware pack in it. But I had a spoon. Oh my God, did I throw it away? I forgot to grab silverware today when I left work. Come on. Is there something in here? Yes, there is. See? Adrian, if you watch this video, that's why I save my utensils. Got alarms going off. Oh my gosh. Fried pizza. Oh, come on. Broccoli with cheese and rice. Another stone pulled in right beside me. Of course. I also have carrots with ranch. I just saw a piece of hair on my arm. And this morning at Walmart, I bought a bag of barbecue Fritos to have with my lunch, but I didn't know what was on the menu, so I didn't know what my lunch was going to be. And I have a Diet Coke that I picked up this morning. All right. So I have carrots with ranch. Broccoli with cheese, rice with cheese and pizza, and carrots. Quite the variety. All right, let's try the broccoli with cheese. It's cold out. It's so bright at work, so when I walk outside, I'm like, what the heck is this gloomy, crappy day? That's still a little bit warm. I haven't eaten yet today. I had like 3 grapes this morning when I went to Aldi. It is so hard for me to just say Aldi. My whole life I've called it Aldi's. I don't put an S on Walmart or Meijer or anything, but on Aldi I always call it Aldi's. So when I say it, I really have to stop and think. There's cheese in the rice. Just like the rice I had the other day with the popcorn chicken, but there's cheese in it today. That's good. That is so good. So I went live today, this morning. But then afterward, I made it private because the chat doesn't show up. So the whole video won't make sense because I'm responding to chat or to like people commenting. Like in the chat. And I was answering questions and stuff. So anyone watching the video after the fact, it's not going to make any sense. I'm hungry. This rice is so good. Broccoli with cheese. Just flung rice in my sleeve. So it's Friday. This morning I stopped at Walmart before work and got Easter egg coloring kits. Because Easter's next weekend. But I need to get eggs. I didn't want to get eggs and let them sit in the car all day. I usually get like 3 dozen, let them each decorate a dozen. I love it. What is today? March 22nd. I should put my puppet mic up. It's such a gloomy, overcast day. It's currently raining. Hear the raindrops? These carrots are good. I feel like I haven't had my carrots in a while. This whole week I've like been in a funk. Just with everything going on. I didn't work Monday. But I've been at work the rest of the week. Excuse me. There's any parking things right here. This pizza would have been so good if it was warm. I mean, it's still good, but it would have been like over the top. Rain, rain, go away. Or turn into snow. Because it is cold out. My alarm went off again. Ladybug lost her tooth last night. It's been loose for a couple weeks. Last night she was already in bed. I was finishing up getting Jax ready for bed. And Adrian went to head upstairs to go to bed. She's like, Mom, Allie lost her tooth. And I'm like, what? So I just went in there and her tooth came out. There was like no blood or anything. She was already snuggled up in her bed. And her new tooth, like there's already quite a bit of it grown in. It's Friday. My plan was to go home. Ooh, the cheese. I was going to go home and do some cleaning, but with this weather, I just want to wrap up in a blanket and go to sleep. I mean, I can't, obviously, but might just wrap up in a blanket and just chill. And just hang out for the night. Dang, someone's rocking out. Someone's enjoying their music. This is so good with the cheese. I got a thing of grapes the other day at Aldi. They're already gone. It's like hit or miss with grapes or bananas. Sometimes I buy them and they're gone within like 2 days. Other times I buy them and they go bad. Gosh, I'm freezing. So I've been working at one place the last few weeks. Like the last 2 months, I should say. Then this week I was somewhere else. Now next week I go back to the other place I'd been working. I made this so fast because I had to go get Jax in like 15 minutes. When I don't have leftovers, it's like he gets sad. He'll say, what's that smell? I'll tell him what I ate. And he'll be like, seriously? Like, if I don't have any. I'm done with the broccoli and cheese. This back seat is a disaster. Oh, vacuums back here. Oh, did I just throw away my spoon? I'm not digging out another spoon. So I will save this rice for Allie. If she wants it. And I will just eat some carrots. Look at that, I didn't even touch my barbecue Fritos. They sound good. I haven't had barbecue Fritos in a long time. Oh. I have this one tooth down here and the filling fell out. Do you know when you have like dark colored fillings, you're supposed to get them redone every so many years? What? Who the heck can afford that? You know? I have a huge cup of carrots. I really hope this weekend is drama free. I need a break. Of course, it's getting closer to time to get Jackson. It's going to rain more. Yesterday, Adrienne made this drink with the big, tall Starbucks cups that I got her. I got her and Allie a Starbucks cup, but it's the tall, clear one, like the tallest one. She made a drink with like milk and whipped cream and all that stuff, and then she spilled the whole thing. It went all over the rug, under the island. I had to use my feet and push off of the counter, or not the counter, but the cupboards to try and push that island. It's so heavy because it's full of pans. Moving out of the way, she had the fridge door open, so the chocolate, or the milk and chocolate and whipped cream and crap splattered on the shelves, in the bottom of the fridge, on everything that's in the shelves on the door. It was a freaking mess. She hasn't felt the best the last couple days. And she's kind of raspy. But she doesn't have a fever. She's not vomiting. She's not coughing. I just heard on the radio today, so I've been sending her to school because she's been mad at me. Even this morning. I feel like crap, and you don't care. You're making me go to school. It's like, no. I have to have a legit reason to keep you home. Like, plus I have to work. But she hasn't had her phone like the last few days because she won't pick up her room, so she doesn't have a phone. I'm like, you're not going to just stay home so you can be on your phone all day. I said, I don't want to leave you home without a phone. But you've never stayed home from school by yourself before. Like, she's not coughing, no fever. She's like, I just took my temperature. So I took my temperature. It said 96 point something. So I took hers like 4 different times. It said 96 point something. I'm like, there's no way. It said 100.3 in the bathroom. She's like, check it again. I'm like, honey, I just checked it like 4 times. So I checked it again. No, it wasn't even 97. I said, it's Friday. You said this last day, then you can just come home and sleep, and you can sleep all weekend if you want. All right. And every day she comes home and she feels so much better. But the last couple nights, she went to bed a little bit early. Probably because she doesn't have a phone to play on. She doesn't want to clean her room. Her best friend Brielle texted me last night. She's like, hey, this is Brielle. Because she texted me from her dad's phone. She's like, can I spend the night tomorrow? I said, honey, I don't know. I said, Adri's came home not feeling the best. I said, I don't even know if she's going to be going to school. So I wonder if they're going to ask me. Again today, like right after school. All right. I didn't even use any ranch. My carrot. It's cold and it's rainy. Every time I try to go pick up Allie from the bus stop, she wants to walk. It's like, okay, then you can walk. I'll see you at home. So I wonder if I should just get Jax. Try to be one of the first ones so I can try and get down there in case she does want to ride. But every time the bus driver laughs, she's like, she doesn't want to ride. I'm like, no, she wants to walk. I said, I swear, every time I tried to come down and get her, she's like, I know. She said she always wants to walk. I wish dental procedures weren't so freaking expensive. You know? Like, if you need a root canal, they want you to pay for it, like, up front. Like, who has a couple grand to fix one tooth? Alright, I'm gonna go get Jax. Thank you for having lunch with me. It was so good, and I have some leftovers for my kids if they want any. A little bit of rice. And I don't remember if Allie liked the rice or not. Adri does not like it. I don't know if Jax tried it, but it has cheese on it, so maybe Allie will want it. I don't know. Carrots. If not, maybe I'll eat it later if I'm hungry. But that was my lunch. One day I'll have something exciting to talk about. Hopefully. I just don't know when. Alright. I'm going to go. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.